Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the London Eye Race. That's right, it's the London Eye Race. And here we go, and we're driving down the London Eye Race. As we put on the boosters, crash. But that's all good as I'm driving along now on the London Eye base. Whoa. Okay. Let's get the ramp. Oh, yeah, we did it. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're coming down, we're jumping. Past the London Eye. Okay, let's use some boosters. What? We went off. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, and we crashed. Whacked. Yeah, that's right, we whacked. Okay, I'm gonna jump it again. Right, we're in the middle of train tracks now. Let's see what we can do. Another jump there. Nice. Nice, very nice. We're coming in 8th at the moment. Not good. And where do you come from, mate? Yeah, I'm right behind you. Oh, what? You just hit me in the back, yo. Hit. What, you just been past? Okay, sir. Let's see what we can do now. As you see, we're going 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay, I suck at driving, by the way. Let's put boosters on and boost up, eh? Alright, we're here at lap 2. We've got one more lap to go. Right, we're on our final lap now. Oh, and that's a wipeout. Wipeout indeed. Wipeout. That is so cool, not. Another wipeout. Oh, are we going to do it? Yeah. Right past the London Eye now. Oh, don't want to crash into it. See, we're crashing into that pole. Oh, whoa. Okay, that's real bad now. Real bad driving. Really bad driving. Nah, bro, let's see what's happened now. Oh, am I going to get it? Oh, and that's a wipeout. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Alright, we're back up again on the train tracks. A little bit slow, I don't know why it's running slow. Hey, here we go, flying away. Oh, and another wipeout. And coming back around. Back. Oh, and it hit. Let's see what happens next. Let's see. Oh, what are we gonna hit? Oh, whoa, it's another hit. Alrighty then, we're coming around. I'm gonna come on this one now. You see? Oh, would you look at that? Right. Oh, no, we just hit that fence there. Right, we're going the wrong way. I don't know why, but we're going the wrong way. Let's go the opposite way for a change. Oh, and that's a massive whack. We've been disqualified because we went the wrong way. And here we go. Oh, disqualified. Ladies and gentlemen, that was that. I hope you enjoyed this random game car where we just got wasted the whole time. Thank you very much. This is Gav Stay Entertainment.